First off, shout out to Nulaxy Direct for sending me this Bluetooth FM transmitter for review. So even though they sent it to me, just to let you know, 100% my opinions are of my own. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing here. So overall, the packaging looks like it was kind of damaged by, I'm not sure if it was, I think it was the post office, USPS. So let's go ahead and take a look at this Bluetooth FM transmitter. I've actually kind of been needing one myself. Let's go ahead and check this out and see what we're working with. We're going to see if the audio quality and everything sounds good, but let's go ahead and unbox it first. So got my trusty box cutter with me. See how trusty it is. Right, so we're ready to unbox. Got my trusty unboxing knife. Boom. Well, we're in there. So let's see what we are presented with here. So once we unbox it here, we get pretty much just bare bones. Okay, a little cloth. Wow, actually this feels feels pretty intact. So when you look at it, here's I'm gonna say it's probably about a 1-inch screen, maybe. Might be actually probably about 2 inches, about a 2-inch screen diagonally. But the way this thing looks is actually built pretty well. So actually this might be a similar model. So looking at it here, you have a slot here at the top for USB. And it looks like you have a micro SD card slot here on the left. And let's see what you have here. You also have a 3.5mm aux jack. And then you also have, I'm not sure if this is a plastic covering. No, it doesn't look like that's like a screen protector or anything. So you pretty much have your knob here, your dial. You got fast forward and rewind. And then you have an M and a P. I'm not quite sure what the M and the P stand for, but obviously you can answer phone calls. This is real clicky. And you also have a USB port at the top. Well, depending on where your cigarette lighter is positioned, mine is at the bottom. So you have a cigarette lighter right here and a power button, I believe, to turn everything on and off. So ultimately, for those not familiar with FM transmitters, this day and age where we don't have headphone jacks anymore on our phones, this could be an excellent bridge here. And seeing that this one is really flexible, I mean, this thing seems like it's actually built really well though. It doesn't seem like it's a bunch of cheap plastic. So other than that, the next scene I'm actually going to do, I'm actually going to go ahead and hook this up in the car. So with the magic of editing, you'll just see that in the next 3 seconds. So bam. Alright, so now we're in the whip, and I do have the Bluetooth FM transmitter already set up to my phone. So long story short, I tried to do a couple takes already, and I've actually been working with this here a couple times I've been testing it out. So ultimately my impressions are pretty good, but I'm just going to go ahead and let you know firsthand what it sounds like and if it's up to your expectations. So right now it's already linked up to my phone, so we're just going to go ahead and play some Spotify here real quick. So let's go ahead and just play some J. Cole if it plays. It may not be on the right setup here, so hold on. Oh, it's on the mode. It's on my SD card.
Bluetooth mode.
So let's go to Bluetooth. You press M to go to Bluetooth. And let's just go ahead and play some J. Cole. Alright, and let's go ahead and play something on the SD card. So let's go ahead and press M for mode again.
Playback.
And it announces. Okay.
Bluetooth mode.
Alright, so that looks good. That sounds pretty good so far. Let's go ahead and try the audio jack. So stick my audio cord in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and jack in through the phone as you see here, and we're just gonna go ahead and play something else.
Maybe this is all my
ads. Okay. Go ahead, continue.
Watch this short video to get 30 minutes of uninterrupted listening.
No, we're not listening to the ad. Okay. So ultimately it all works. You can definitely hear audio from all the sources here, from the SD card, from the aux cord, and also from Bluetooth. So it all works. It all sounds pretty good. I'm not going to play stuff too long because I don't want to, of course, violate any copyright. So also another added feature you do get is the USB 3.0. I'm not going to say it's 3.0, but it is a USB port, and you can certainly charge any of your USB devices that way. Also, the last thing I want to go ahead and do here real quick is make a quick phone call. So let's go ahead and call Mr. TPhifeTech and see if he's available. So I'm actually calling him on the phone.
Hello?
Yo, you on YouTube. What's up, man?
Yo, what's going on YouTube?
So we got Mr. T.
Watching my kids play this Xbox game.
Of course, Mr. TPhifeTech playing some games. That's what he does best.
I believe it plugged into the cigarette lighter. What's it called? FM transmitter?
Yeah.
Sounds pretty good.
It sounding pretty good right now?
Yeah, it sounds good.
Is it sounding like I'm in a tunnel or what?
Well, the first time it did, but this time it sounds a little more clear.
Okay. I mean, yeah, it just could be the position of this thing, because, you know, since it's based on your FM, from your radio FM frequency or whatever. So, yeah, so I mean, I guess it's a hit or miss. But overall, man, I'm liking this thing so far. So, it's a good way to play music without chords. So.
Oh, yeah. I can definitely hear you talking, so it's doing its job.
All right. Well, hopefully everything will go through when I try to edit this video then.
Oh, that sounds good. I may have to pick one of these up because it sounds pretty decent, you know.
Yeah. All right. Well, man, I appreciate you coming through, and everybody subscribe to Mr. TPhifeTech. And so right now we trying to get back to this E3, and we wanna see what's good with Sony right now. So
that's it.
All right. Well.
All right. I'll talk to you later.
All right. Holla.
Perfect.
So there you have it. Call quality sounds pretty good. It's kind of hit or miss. I made two phone calls with them, and the first one kind of sounded like I was in the tunnel. The second call kind of sounded much better. So it might be hit or miss depending on your location, depending on maybe how you have this thing set up, because I don't know if mine was like grounded properly or what. But either way, it's a win for me. You're able to do everything you need to do. You can just go ahead straight up stream Spotify straight to your car without cords. Little known fact for me, I do have Bluetooth in my car, but it only supports up to 5 devices. So this is another way that I can actually extend my devices out. So yeah, it's a win for me. And also, before we get off here, I'm just wrapping this up. There is a coupon code in the description there below for 20% off. So go ahead, hit the link. And if there's something you're interested in, check it out. So just real quick, like, share, and subscribe, man. I appreciate everything you guys do for me. Appreciate y'all supporting the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.